For my baby. Choma, my love, oh, I'm looking for my sister. Eh? Choma, my love, oh, he get it dollar, he get it naira. Hello my beautiful kings and queens, you're welcome back again to my channel. If na today na your first time when you dey come across this my channel and you never subscribe, abeg no forget to subscribe. Or if you don't watch this video finish so that you dey get more gist, you dey get more update. Yes, I'm back again with another video. Una know say for my last video I tell una say the tori when e dey ground between Chioma, Peruzzi and Davido, say if another new gist still come when e still dey more update, I go still let una know. So some kind other update don come, new package don come, so now I say make I deliver for una. So the tori when e dey ground now be say, una know say for the last video when I talk say Patrick, which is Golden Boy Entertainment, dey accuse Peruzzi when e dey work follow Davido, say Peruzzi dey sleep with Chioma before, say Chioma na Peruzzi ex-girlfriend, that is side chick, but he can't present this Chioma to Davido as in cousin, whereas they not be cousin, they chop each other before. So in case you don't understand that side, maybe go look the other old video when I don't do for there, you will get the whole story, because I don't feel continue here they talk the story all over again here, because I don't first talk am. So now the latest thing when you follow and now I want just let you know, now I want just deliver. So after that accusation don't come between both of them, so by now I believe say Davido go don dey calculate, I don't know the next step when go take. So e get some kind things when e can't come out. Now I hear the song when I sing just now, and I know say that song e rain well for Davido, how when they say Chioma, my love, oh, I'm looking for my sister. So that song now we don't really know where that song e based on, and we don't really know originally where that song come from or wetin e mean. None until this quarter when e dey ground now, this saga when e dey ground between Peruzzi, Golden Boy and Davido and Chioma, all of them come dey happen, and now we come dey see small things come dey come out. Apart from say they accuse Peruzzi say na Chioma ex-boyfriend before, the song is still dey ground now, say the song when that song when Davido sing, say na Peruzzi na he write am for Davido. Na he write that song for Davido, say na something na use that song mean, na make am write am for Davido. Me I be not know, me originally I be dey think say maybe na song when be say na Davido na he compose am, because everybody say and say Davido really dey in love with Chioma here, so I be think say maybe na his song when be say he do. I no know say na person na he write am, so e come give room to more suspicion, say abi na true say this Peruzzi really get something with this Chioma. This Peruzzi no be Chioma cousin. That one na big question. That one na the question when most people they ask, when most people won't know, because this saga when they happen between Davido, Peruzzi and then Golden Boy Entertainment, nobody really want to know the story. The thing when people want to know for inside, say because I don't go through many research. The thing when people really want to know now true say Peruzzi e dey chop Chioma, na true whether they be side chick or be side chicken before, I don't know how to put the matter. So now that one be the big question now. And another question when people they talk say, if it can't be say this Peruzzi now the way they talk something, say it can't be say Chioma na ex-girlfriend, you sure say that's more fine who can't get her like that? Now Peruzzi na get her, be na Davido na get her. That was not my question, and I will answer that question. So the thing when Peruzzi write again recently, now when he just write of recent, when he take answer Golden Boy Entertainment again, when he can't give more room to suspicion, say maybe he dey read the Jogodo Chioma, maybe they do fiki before. Make I read them for now, make una see wetin he write. He say for the tweet when he write, he talk say, we know all I want to do is write and sing and chop this life. I am a music machine. I understand life from different points. I write a story doesn't mean it is mine to tell. Pick word from that place when I talk. Say, I write a story doesn't mean it is mine to tell. I don't even give a fuck who tell it. Already, I have set my soul free by writing the story. So what did that word mean? So many people pick something for that song. They say, he don't set his soul free by writing that song. If na he get that story of that song, no mean say na he go talk am, he no even care who talk am, he don already set his soul free. So that thing e make many people dey ask question, abi na true wetin Patrick talk, more cat to be let out of the bag. So my people, na the story now I bring for now. So now go answer the question, because me myself I don't know. I just say make I present to now, because me I know say na I'm a boy I dey do now just to deliver, na be my own. So now I get the question to answer. So wetin I come dey think, I come say this kind quarter, this kind saga when be say e don enter this matter now, say me I come dey fear me no come be say no come lead to another big problem, because People dey laugh Davido now, say Davido claim say he na baddest, you na baddest. There's something like this dey happen under your nose. They say, man, you fuck up because you no be baddest anything, you no smart. How inside your nose this kind thing go happen? But it's too early to conclude now because we never know. We still dey wan hear from Davido, we wan still hear more detail from the Peruzzi. Then Davido need to ask Chioma question, and from there we go know say na whether na lie, whether na true. And secondly, some people dey say maybe all these things when dey happen now, all this talk when dey happen now between them, say maybe na lie, they just dey need attention. I say what? Which kind of attention Davido and Chioma wan need when e pass the one wey they get before? They will just because say that they need attention, they wan trend to the extent say they go endanger their life, put their pikin and everything for inside. What are we saying here? Wetin we dey talk now be say this kind thing when we dey talk so e go lead to paternity test o. I'm not sure say this matter e go just comot for ground, because if una look, almost all the baby mamas when Davido get, almost all of them they do paternity test, except Chioma when be say Davido really love am and he 100% he sure say na he get that pikin. Even he get some latest jewelries like hand chain and a necklace when he just get now recently. This Davido, he can't even do a custom made to the extent he can't put the pikin face, this Ifeanyi face, now he dey for the something. That to tell you how he really take Chioma, how he really love Chioma reach. But if this kind of thing can't come up now, don't you think that Chioma will be forced to go for paternity test? No, I'm not sure say that kind of thing fit happen. And the only way where they think say this kind of thing go fit take clear come up for ground now if they don't bring proof say this Peruzzi no be Chioma boyfriend and no be Chioma na Chioma cousin. Because if no be Chioma cousin, there is more questions still there when go still dey come up, because except say na real Chioma cousin. If not be Chioma cousin, that means there is still more cat to be let out of the bag, my people. So as the story dey come, na so me I go dey deliver for now. Some people dey talk say make they carry all this matter comot for social media, make they go settle am, make they leave people wey dey social media. Me I no wan make dem comot am. I wan know more gist, because many people dey when they wan know more detail. Anybody wey know say he don tire for the story, then make it off the data. Na that one be my own for inside. So me I want more gist, because me I want more entertainment. I don't wish Chioma and Davido bad though, but we want just know the full gist, because that is why they are celebrities. They are celebrities. So any small thing, anywhere they take work, anywhere they take sleep, anywhere they take eat, they always they come to the attention of the public. That make them celebrity. They are different. Now me go come do something that you can't come out for public. I mean, now me go come cough now you can't come out for public, because I not be celebrity. So they be celebrity now. Normal thing. That's how we come meet. And that's how it be for the whole world, not be for only Nigeria. So we still they wait for more detail. And secondly again, if this kind of thing now come be now, Chioma can come back to Nigeria now. Even though say they say this boy now, this Peruzzi say na he cause you, not because you. How Chioma and Peruzzi and Davido go take they live together for that house again? That trust no go too really there, because Davido himself now he go be like say in they come they fear, he no come to get that trust again, because Davido we know say he really love Chioma and he no hide and he really show am. He show am. We know say he love am. The other man we know say na Casanova they flirt up and down, but he really be love Chioma. But I pray maybe say this something I just talk not be real. So my people, if more details see come for this matter, I go still deliver. I go still let una know. I must let una know till the end of the story. Except say I not get details, I not get more gist when concern this matter. I dey look every time. They alert. I current die. So anytime when gist just still come when concern this matter, I go let una know. So my people, I just leave the question for now. Now we can't answer now. Say whether the thing when they grant now, whether na cousin na Peruzzi bio, or whether not be cousin. The song when he writes, when he say he dedicate to, when they dedicate to Chioma, now Peruzzi na write that song, and he can't make that statement say for the fact say na he get the story. No me say na he must tell the story. He himself when be Peruzzi don already set his soul free by writing that song. So my people now go answer that question. So that here I will round up my video today. I hope to come your ways soonest, and I hope to give you more gist as I dey get more gist for this matter. And again, I beg, don't forget to subscribe to this my channel if you never subscribe, if na your first time. And for people who don't subscribe before, God will bless you now. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you go to get more updates, you dey get more gist anytime I just put more gist. So now here I go to round up today. Have a blessed weekend and have a blessed day. Bye bye.